biomass carbonization production line designed by YOTO Group is customized, PLC control, working steadily and less maintenance. Starting burner to preheat the furnace. Once the feed temperature is reached, biomass of 8 to 15 millimeters will be sent into the feeder by a wheel loader, which will then be evenly sent to the dryer through the weighing system. The material feed into the dryer through the airlock and spiral conveyor, which is dried inside rotary dryer by the hot air and pushed to the outlet. Then go into the closed carbonization conveyor through the discharge airlock. The biomass go into carbonization furnace via the airlock, the first and second spiral conveyor. During pushing forward by the guide plate in the furnace, it is fully heated by touching with the heated drum wall and convection air, finishing carbonized and generating biogas. The biochar is cooled by the first and second water cooling spirals. Then go into the humidified double spiral conveyor through the discharge airlock for removing dust before being packaged. At the same time, dust and the biogas go into the first and second spiral conveyor via cyclone dust collector, then finally sent to the humidified double passing through airlock and outputting for being packaged. The biogas goes into the tar cleaning device by draft fan and is heated and done heat preservation in the jacket of this device. It is sent to the hot air furnace by blower for burning to heat carbonization furnace. The surplus biogas is sent into the exhaust hot air furnace for burning, and high-temperature flue gas can be used for the rotary dryer. The exhaust generated during carbonization goes into the insulation layer, tar cleaning device and cyclone dust collector for heating the biogas. Passing through heat exchanger and sent to the dryer by draft fan. The dried flue gas goes to the air from the chimney after treatment by passing through the cyclone dust collector, water curtain dust collector, and adsorption device.